Necrotizing fasciitis: current advances in diagnosis and multidisciplinary management. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Necrotizing fasciitis is a rare but life-threatening disease, spreading rapidly through fascial planes and leading to severe tissue necrosis, sepsis, organ dysfunction or failure, and death. The mainstays of management that can modify outcome are the awareness for early detection and the prompt and simultaneous initiation of all aspects of treatment. The timely diagnosis relies on clinical findings, which can further be supplemented and supported by various diagnostic agents. However, clinical suspicion remains superior to any lab test. Delayed diagnosis and treatment, pre-existing organ dysfunction, and concomitant illnesses contribute to poor outcomes. A multidisciplinary approach, involving aggressive surgical debridement, is essential. Introduction. Necrotizing soft tissue infection, NSTI, and necrotizing fasciitis, NF, are uncommon, rapidly progressing infections that can devastate soft tissues and require urgent intervention. Gulieva et al., 2024, Morgan, 2010, Sarani et al., 2009, Sarteli et al., 2014, Voros et al., 1993. NF, the most fulminant form of NSTIs, has an incidence of 0.4 cases per 100,000, predominantly affecting males. 3:1 ratio. Chung et al., 2024, Misyakos et al., 2017. Common sites of NF include the abdomen, external genitalia, perineum, and extremities. Chung et al., 2024, Gulieva et al., 2024, Lamagni et al., 2008, Misyakos et al., 2017, Van Sticht et al., 2016. The mortality rate for NF varies between 8% and 76%. Gulieva et al., 2024, Wong et al., 2004, W. and Chung, 2021. Although symptoms are not specific and early disease resembles cellulitis, the associated high morbidity and mortality underscore the need for prompt diagnosis and treatment. Morgan, 2010, Sarani et al., 2009, W. and Chung, 2021. Conclusion. Differentiating necrotizing fasciitis from severe cellulitis can be challenging in the early stages. High clinical suspicion, early recognition, prompt intensive resuscitation, appropriate antibiotics, and aggressive surgical debridement are crucial to halt the lethal course of the disease. Emergent surgery, with repeated debridement, should never be delayed. Post-operative care and tissue reconstruction are vital for patient recovery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.